So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit crypto into your account on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the top here on the home page and press on deposit where it says crypto or cash. So deposit crypto from other platforms, go ahead and press on that. Now what you're going to be doing for me is I actually have to submit other information, but I'll go ahead and do this later. But you can go ahead and proceed this way, so you can maybe connect different wallets and just transfer crypto over to your account if you're looking to do that. So once again, home screen, deposit, where it says crypto, deposit crypto from other platforms, press on that, and then follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to deposit crypto into your account on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.